Hi, I'm Rami with the GreatBuildz Contractors Network. We just finished remodeling this beautiful house here in Malibu, California, and I'd love to show you around. Follow me. This is one of those projects where the client came to us and said, hey, I got a house that's got a lot of walls and it's very closed off in small spaces, and what I'd like to do is completely open it up. So I said, okay, let's look at the plans. What's really neat in this house, and what I love personally, are these Fleetwood bifold doors, which actually all go into a pocket that we created. As you can see, they slide so nice and smooth, and you can just push them with a finger. That's how easy it is. So you have a full open concept over here, leading to the outside. Hey, it's actually our lucky day today. Our customer Greg over here just showed up, so I'm sure he has a few words to share with us.
First, that I'm very happy with the project. I feel the execution was good.
When we came into this house, everything was fully closed off.
There was a fireplace right here, and the rooms were closed in. There was paneled ceilings. Anyway, one of the things I think that really helps is the opening it up and getting the light. These skylights turned out to be just a real surprise. There is fashion in home design. One of the best features is are the large format tiles. This is something new, and so it's topical and ahead of the curve.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed what you saw here today. If you have a project that you would like to get done, please contact GreatBuildz and they will team you up with us.